What are they going to do? Well, I'm going to tell you what they're going to do. But look what happened to rates today. I didn't think they would go down, but they did. So what happened? Well, if you're a homeowner trying to refinance, or maybe you're a home buyer thinking, okay, if rates go down a little further, can I maybe buy a house? My goal is to come in and explain to you guys what the heck's happening with those and why. So why did rates go down today? Well, if you look at the stock market, it had a pretty good day as well. So it's back to the Japanese markets. You're a little bit confused with this. Let me take you over to the markets real quick so I can show you what happened throughout today to make mortgage rates go down a little bit today. What do we think is going to go on tomorrow? I'll give you that at the end of this video. So let's get over to see what happened today. So I want to go over to this section right through here. Here's a former Fed official. Yes, he's probably a Wharton president or something like that, but he's going to come in and tell us what the Federal Reserve is going to do. And then when we come back, I'm going to show you what happened in the markets today and why, and it was good news for rates. So let's take it over to CNBC and see what the former Fed official has to say on what the Federal Reserve is going to do at this meeting and maybe in the future.
Yeah, you're right. They won't be doing anything on rates. The economy itself appears to be, for the most part, very strong. We're coming out of a very strong 2025 with a recent additional stimulus from tax cuts that were passed last year that take effect this year. There'll be a lot of demand created from that. And number three, I think you have to remember this is an election year, so there's going to be a lot of pressure on further stimulus. And I would remind people that when you look at real interest rates today, they're less than 1%. Number one, and number two, the Fed has re-engaged in quantitative easing at $40 billion a month. We'll see how long that lasts. But those are all very stimulative and put pressure on the economy growing more rapidly than some people think. And I would be very surprised if the Fed were to move at this point.